Hey guys, Vintage TV Guy here. Today I'm doing a video on this, oh wow, it's really dusty, 1950s, oh my god, look how dusty this thing is, 1950s Miracle Vac Company hair dryer. It's been a little bit since I've used this thing. This is the hair dryer I use after I'm done in the shower, or that I used to use. I still kind of use it sometimes, you know, when I need to get my head dry quick or something so it doesn't freeze in a stupid position. Found this in a drawer in my family's old main house in Maine, their vacation home. And it was just sitting there covered in dust like it is now. Probably worse though, so I cleaned it up. I started using it. So right now it's plugged in, so I'll turn it on. Still works well. I'll turn the heat on now. Heat's on. It's getting hot. Can I see the coil lighting up? See that little glow? There you go, you really see it now. Anyway, just another little quick video. If I did make a video on this thing, please let me know in the comments and I'll take this one down. Alright, that's it. Bye.